You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word and more confusing vocabulary that many get wrong in English, so stay tuned to the channel to learn more. In British English it is said as acquainted, acquainted. In American English, it's normally pronounced as acquainted, acquainted. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Thanks for your support, it helps me immensely. And thanks for watching. More videos for you here to learn more. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.